Hey guys, if you guys have a moment, let's talk about what's been transpiring the last couple minutes.
Just look outside.
What are we going through?
Put the camera outside. What's going on?
What are you thinking, man?
Look at that storm, man.
Can't see that well. There's a storm outside that's passing through Chicago. Everyone had to come inside, so if you guys want to take a look at the madness, the reason why. When it rains, people normally go inside because they don't want to get wet, so that's what we got. The bar is closed. The bar is closed.
Worst time ever. When we need the bar the most, it's closed.
I need my bartender. I need my doctor. Talk to me. It's talk. Dialogue.
Hey man, you know what? It's a good. You know what? This is extra. This is a special tour.
Hey, where's my $10 a night, punk? My name's Sanjaya. Dang, man. This is it.
Look outside.
A little lightning flashes here and there. Wow. It's a Midwest thunderstorm. It rains in the Midwest during the summertime. On the West Coast, no rain. Never rains. Mild winters with rain. Summertime, hot, dry summers. Wow.
And we still need our hoodies sometimes. Sometimes we need them.
Sometimes. Wow. Okay. This guy, who's this guy, man?
Hey man, I just want to go where somebody knows my name, dude.
Yeah, my bag. Hey, you guys want to talk about Sino?
Man.
Who's Sino?
I was never there.
Sino.
What are you talking about?
What the hell are
Yeah,
you talking
Sino. Sino.
I don't know anybody by their names.
It's just all kind of body heat up here. Alright.
The city is gonna overflow.
None better, dude. None better.